So let's talk about the 50-second facelift, which is using the ball instead of the roller. It's another way to restore the fluid flow to the face as well as to your neck. And so we'll always start at the base of the skull. So let me show you the positioning. So you place the ball in your hand and you'll rest your head into the ball. So you want to slightly tip your head in, and then you'll create these nice small circles. And then once you do these small circles, you just compress and wait. You just let your head sink into the ball. And then the next spot is at the jaw. So you'll do the same thing. You'll place the head into the ball so that you're keeping your head in that slight tip position, and then you just create these nice small circular motions. And then same thing, just compress and wait. And just take a focused breath. And then the third area is at the temple. So same thing, you rest your head into your hand. So watch how I just sort of clasp my head, and then I do the same thing. I just create these nice small circles. So if you can see, my fingers are staying right on my head so that I can just nice and gently massage the ball into my temple. And then same thing, you just compress and wait. And now you want to reverse the process. So you come back to the jaw, you do those same small circles. You compress and wait. And then you go back to the base of the skull. And you do the same thing. And then same thing, compress and wait. So once you've done it on all three spots, you just do the same thing on the other side, starting at the base of the skull, the cheekbone, the temple, and then working your way back down. But then you want to rinse, and so the rinsing starts at the collarbone, and you're working in a downward motion. So you want to clear out where the fluids are going to drain. And then you just keep working your way back down. So watch how I'm going outward at the top, and then down through the neck. You can also work straight down the front of your face. So this is also again called a watershed. So this is this triangular part of the face where the lymphatic system drains straight down. Whereas on the sides of the face, it's going outward and then down and forward. If you do it on both sides, that's the 50-second facelift.